You are fine. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create WhatsApp channel. So first thing first, you must have WhatsApp business account if you want to create WhatsApp channel. You can't create WhatsApp channel on normal WhatsApp. As you can see here, I click on WhatsApp. Here you have to click on updates. Then when I click on plus button, you can't see to create channel on normal WhatsApp. You must have a WhatsApp business account in order to create WhatsApp channel. So we open WhatsApp business, then click on updates, then click on plus icon. Here you can see create channel. If you can't find this option, you must have to join the waitlist by visiting this website. Let me share you faq.whatsapp.com. If you can't see this option on your mobile, you can simply click on join the waitlist and you will see this option after 2 hours, 1 day. It depends on WhatsApp. So let's move to backward. So click on create channel, then you have to follow these guidelines. Anyone can discover your channel. People see your channel, not you. You are responsible for your channel. You have to follow the guidelines. You can read it by clicking on the guidelines link, then click on continue. Here you have to write your channel name. Let's say I write it fix master, then create a description. Then click on create channel. If you want to upload pic, you can also upload any pic. Let me, for the sake of reference, for the sake of test, I am uploading this icon, as you can see here. Then click on create channel. Here you can see your channel has been created. Currently I have 0 followers. With the passage of time, the followers will increase, and you can see here the numbers of followers on the icon of your channel. So if you found this video helpful, hit a like button. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below.